Okay, handwriting today we're going to be doing our 3 tricky words, all, any and many. So let's get started. Do you have your pen and paper ready, or are you going to use your magic whiteboard pen and do it in the air? The first word we're going to look at is all. Do you remember how to spell our tricky word all? A-L-L. So let's begin. We're going to start with an A, so it starts like a curly cur, round into an O, and down. Now our 2 alls. L is a tall ladder letter, so we start up high, higher than our A, and we just come all the way down, give it a little flick, and then another one, all the way down, and give it a little flick. Make sure your A is smaller than your all. That's all one word, so now I'm going to do a finger space and have another go. My A, curly cur, into an O, give it a flick, and then my tall ladder all. Fantastic. Okay, the other word we are going to do is any. It is also one of our tricky words because it is not spelt how it sounds. Any is A-N-Y. So we get to do another A. We're going to be experts at A by the time we're finished. So we're going to start with the curly cur. Bring it round into an O and down. Then a N. The N is the same height as the A. It's not a tall letter. So it goes down, up, around, off. And then your Y. Y is not a tall ladder letter. It hangs down. It has a monkey tail. So the top bit goes down, up. Don't take your pen off. And you bring it all the way down and give it a tail for any. Now that's the word. After our word, we must use a finger space. And we get to have another try. So we're going to do our A again. Curly cur, into an O. Give it a flick. Then your N, the same height as your A. Down, up, around. And then your Y. Remember, it has a long monkey's tail. Up, and then bring that tail down. The last word we're going to do today is many. So if this is how we spell any, can you guess how we spell many? M-A-N-Y. So let's give it a go. We're going to start with our M. So we go down, up, around, and then we do our any. So an A, curly cur, into an O, give it a flick. Notice our M and our A are about the same size. Unless it's a capital letter, they are the same size. And then our N, which is also the same size. And then finally our Y, which has that long tail that dangles down. And all the way down. Then that's the whole word. So I can get my finger space and do it again. So we do our M, down, up, around, then our A, curly cur, into an O, give it a flick. Our N, all our letters are still the same height so far. And now our Y, down, up, and all the way down. Okay, so those are our handwritings for today. Remember, you can practice more than 2 times, but I don't want you to keep watching me. I want you to crack on and have a go for yourself.